one by one different screen.
That are the crack that thing on the screen. Alright? But the plastic screen, you know, I see crack on the outside, but that are the crack in the display screen. So, you done.
Wagwan people, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna do the broken TV screen prank on boyfriend. However, I forgot to film the intro, but don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and if you enjoy the video, drop a comment.
She done bed, man. You can't come. But tonight, what make your choice? Me? Make your choice. Make your choice sitting there. So, Mr. Put it over there for your choice. Me choose it. Nina.
C'est des cléois. Eh, yeah.
Nino. Come here, man. Babe, you're gonna kill me. When me tell us if you not chewy, and you're still chewy. Every chewy is sitting over there to point.
You never know, say.
You can't imagine me they are good and your choice. You can't choice sitting. You have to choice something. You can't choice something. Me tell us if you put it on your choice. Me don't know you're short hand so. Me not no money, you know. You pay me, me a papa. Me not got no money.
Mommy, I'm going to know.
Imagine, Mr. Pudong is sitting there, you're choy. You're Pudong is pretty. Mr. Choy, no, yeah, look what your heart make happen.
You know.
You come and tell us if you know choy is sitting there, you're still choy. Imagine, you're choy is sitting there, say, don't choy. See, not even a kuma, you know, a kuma. What go happen now?
Mommy, I'm going to know.
Me don't know what happening now. See, it's sitting at the Wakuma.
Nino. Nino. Nino.
You know.
You're going to kill me.
Wait, no come yet. No, no come yet, no come yet. You promise me there now, but. You promise me there now? No. Come, lock your eye. Lock your eye now. What you see? A punch, me tell him to put on your remote and enjoy. See there now, come on.
What if you come up?
Come now, come try do something to
You
it.
can't do it.
What you mean by so nothing can do to it?
You can't do it.
See, punch me tell us if you not choice and you're still chewing. Babe. Where you go? Come here now. Nino.
I'm only a boy, I laugh.
I don't know why my laugh, Papa. You have to go find money to take you out. I swear to God.
Yeah, come on.
I try to coffee.
You can't come off me, Friday.
So we can buy one different
See
screen.
that? Are the crap that in the screen. Alright? But the plastic screen, you know, see crap on the outside, but that are the crack in the display screen. So, you done. Come over.
Can't be the on top of the TV. Punch you manage with that happen. I put me here, please. Rotty. See now, turn on. What?
I know what they do there. But anyway, put in what?
What? If I pop it through. I don't laugh if I pop it through. Put fling is sitting in night. You already get it frank. It take you a while before you say, I want frank. No. No. Just make sure you get frank. You're eating the shy that John come out. You never really take down your phone, but stop
You
it.
can't stop video that now.
Right. You never did not take that video. You never don't take that video. No. You never do.